Hi everyone, this is Ida, and today I will show you our TT108 Tour guide system. And this is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. This design is also very popular in the tour guide system. Very popular, and you can hang it on your neck. Very tiny one, you can see that. And this is the receiver. You can wear it on your ear. It is very convenient. And about this tour guide system, there are many advantages of it, such as the tour guide system have a long working range. The other models of our Retekess, it can reach about 200 meters. The distance is also it's also still very long in the tour guide, so you can use it for a long range. And there are 150 channels about this tour guide system. In the FO condition, there are 100 channels. And in the F1 conditions, there are 50 channels. And also using the we just need using one key to silence all the receivers, such as we press this that key for about 2 seconds. When we press this key for 2 seconds, the receiver will have a sound of beep, and when it beeps one time, it means 1 second, and when it beeps 2 sounds, it means 2 seconds. When we press this key for 2 seconds, all the receivers mean that receivers had program with the transmitters will be silent. It is a good function and a good feature of it. And besides, if we press this key, set key, for about 8 seconds, all the receivers will be power off. It is a very convenient because there are a group. It maybe have many receivers. We don't need to power off the receivers one by one. We just need to put this key for about 8 seconds so that we can power off all the receivers. Sorry. It is very popular. So if you want it, if you want to know more details of it, you can email us. The email address is support@retekess.com, or you can check the other type of Retekess tour guide system. You can click the link www.retekess.com. It is on the Retekess official website waiting for you. So see you next time. Bye.